Hi friends, so today this is the lecture number 3 for discrete mathematics, and in this lecture we will explain about the set, subset, universal set, empty set, okay, and also we will solve some questions. These are very important questions. It has come in your previous year exam, and also it will clear your concept, okay. So at first, what is the definition of set? The definition of set is an ordered collection of disjoint objects that must be familiar. Okay. So the example, suppose I am taking n is equal to set of natural number. It's start from 1, 2, 3 up to so on infinite. Okay, so there are total number of infinite number in the natural number. This is the symbol for the natural number. It's start from 1. Okay, 1 to up to so on. So all here in this set, all the elements represent to the natural number. Means all the numbers we have taken from this natural number. Okay, so we cannot write like this in set. Okay, this is not a set. Okay, so because all the elements are not similar, this is the set at first. So the set we represent by the help of this semicolon. Okay, so the second one, the representation of set is, suppose I am taking a is equal to x, such that, okay, such that where x is the even number, and x is greater than 4. Suppose I am taking greater than 4. So this is the way to represent a set. A is equal to x. In this set there are total number of x element, and this x is such type. X is the even number where x is greater than 4. It implies that your number is 6, 8, 10, 12 up to so on infinite. So your set, it will be look like this. So this is the way to represent your set. Okay. Now the second one is what is the subset? So subset means, suppose there is another set B. B is the subset of A. It implies that either this set it has taken all the element of A or some element of A. The example is, suppose I am taking A is equal to A, B, C. Okay, suppose this is X. X is equal to A, B, C. This is a set. So how many subsets can possible in this set? Already we have discussed in lecture number 2. Okay. In the binomial theorem we have explained. So total number of sets are, number first subset. Number first is 5. Second is A. This is the subset. This is the subset. This is the subset. This is the subset. Okay. And this is the subset. And this is the subset. And at last this is also subset. It means that these are the total number of subset in this set. So total number of subset, that can be 2 to the power n. So here n is equal to 3. It means that there are total number of 8 subset. So a subset can possible either self, x is the subset of x. Or we can write x is the subset of x, we can write. Also you can see, and this is also subset, this is also subset, this is also subset, this is also subset, this is this and this. Okay, so there are total number of 8 element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are total number of 8 subsets by the help of this set. Now there are many different type of set. Number first is a natural number. Second is Z. What is Z? Z is the collection of integer. The integers it's start from here, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4 up to so on. Okay. So in the integer, the elements are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 up to so on infinite. Okay. So this is also a set. This is a set of integer. Then we have Q. Q is the rational number. Okay, so rational number means P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P, Q belong to Z. Okay, this is also a set where P and Q belong to Z. Z means this. Okay, so such type of form is the rational number. This is the rational number. Okay, so just example is 1 upon 2. Example is 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, 5 upon 4, up to so on. Such any number you can take from here. Okay, you cannot take 0. Except 0, all the number will be here. So in the integer, your 0 it will be also come. Okay, in your integer, the 0 it will be also come. Generally we start from first, but 0 also in the integer. In the real line, this is the real line. This is the real line. Okay, so this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, up to so on infinite, up to so on infinite. So this is plus infinite and this is minus infinite. So this is the x-axis, this is the minus x-axis. This is the y-axis and this is the minus y-axis. Okay, you can also say either y dash or minus y. Both are same. So in the real number, there are also infinite number inside these digits. Okay, so there are also many numbers. Just one example is 1.4. So in the real number, the 1.4 also belong, but these minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the integers. Okay. So the next one is real number. Real number represented by R. So R already we have cleared. Okay. This R. Okay. You can take anything. 0, 0.1, 2, 5, anything you can write. You can take anything from here that will be real number. After that you can say complex number. Complex number is equal to A plus IB, where A, B belong to R. Okay, and I is the imaginary. I is imaginary. So from here we have got I. I means whenever you have this, x square is equal to minus 1. So this square it will come here, then after then minus 1 plus minus. So square root minus 1 is equal to I. Okay, this is the imaginary number. This is the imaginary number. So this A and B belong to R. So your 1 plus I, this is the complex number. Your 2 plus 3i, this is the complex number. 2i, this is the complex number. 2i, you can think 0 plus 2i. Okay. So such type of numbers are complex number. So all the numbers belong to the complex number. So this is also a set. Then you have even number. Even is equal to divided by 2. Okay. So your 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 6 plus minus 8 up to so on infinite. Your such numbers, these represent that are the set of even number. Suppose I am taking odd number. In this condition, your odd number, it starts from plus minus 1, plus minus 3 and plus minus 5 up to so on. Such type of numbers are the odd number. Just here, we have taken minus and plus. Okay. So these are also odd number. Okay, many teachers and many books, they have not mentioned -2 also even number. You must note that these are the even number, these are the odd number. And at last, prime number. Prime number means it has only two factor, 1 and itself. So it's start from 2, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, plus minus 7. These all numbers have only two factor. One is it's divided by 2 or it's divided by 1. It's divided by 3 or it's divided by 1. If a number has only two factor, one is 1 and second is self, then such number is the prime number. So all the numbers are satisfying its property. It means that this is also a set. So we have already explained what is the set and what is the subset. So now at last we will explain the universal set and empty set. Empty set means empty, E-M-P-T-Y. It means that there is null set. Null set. Both are same. So null set and empty set means there is no element. If there is no element in the set, then you will say that this is the empty set. Universal set means if all elements, okay, universal set means all elements. Just example is the total number of students in your college, that is the universal set. Okay, suppose you have a collection of set, and the collection of set, it represent the total number of students in a college. That is the universal set. Okay, and total number of students in your class, that is the subset of your institution. Your class is the subset of your college. Okay, so after then, now we will solve some important question. These important questions that will clear your concept. Okay, you have to focus one by one what we are teaching you. Okay. So the null set you can also represent by 5. 5 means nothing. 5 means nothing you have taken. You can see that if you will take no element from this set, then you will represent this is the 5. Okay. So now we will solve another question. Okay, that is enough. Now the next one is the two symbol. One is the subset, already we have explained. Second is this is the power set. Many students, they have confusion on this subset and proper set. So what is the meaning of this and what is the meaning of this? This is the proper. Proper means, suppose you have this question, x is equal to ABC. Okay, then you can say that x is the subset of x. Okay. So if you will take only one element, suppose I am taking one element, this is the proper subset of x, because this set, it has taken not all the element of x. Okay, so this is the proper. Proper means all the elements will be not in this subset. Now here the first question is 3 belong to this set. In the first question, he is asking 3 belong to set 1, 3, 5. You have a set, there are total number of 3 elements, 1, 3 and 5. And he is asking 3 is belonging or not. You can see that 3 is inside this set. It means that 3 is belonging to 1, 3, 5. So that is the correct answer. Okay. Second question, he has given you A is equal to semicolon, semicolon, A, comma, B, semicolon, semicolon. So it is representing you have a set. Okay, you have a set, and in this set you have only one element. Don't think that here you have two elements. In this set you have another set, and this set has two elements. Okay, so first question he is asking A belonging to A. No, this is no. Why? A is A does not belong to A. Why? Because in A there are one subset. Okay, there is this is only one. It is representing this is only one. Okay, so don't think that there are total number of two elements. So you can say that here set AB is the only member of set A. Therefore, A does not belong to A. So your answer it will be A does not belong to A. Okay. Second one is A belong to A. He is asking. So this is A belonging to A. A belonging to A. Its meaning this is also false. Okay. You can see this is also false. This is not belonging to A. A does not belong. A is the, you can say A is the subset of A. You can write it, but you cannot write A belonging to A. That is also incorrect. Now he is asking A, B belonging to A. Yes. In this set you have one element, that is AB. Okay. That is AB. And it is belonging to A. So this is your correct answer. Question number 4. He is asking there are two elements in A. In A there are two elements. You can see that in this A you have only one. This is also another set. There is only one, and that is AB. But there is only one. Okay. So it is representing only one. So in this condition that is incorrect. I think that you understand. So there is only one element, that is a semicolon A comma B. Now the question number 3. In the question number 3 he is asking this 3 semicolon closed belonging to semicolon 1 3 5 semicolon closed. So you have one set. In this set total number of 3 elements. He is asking this. This is the subset. This is the subset of this. So subset of this is belonging to 135. That is nonsense. 3 is belonging to 135. But subset this semicolon 3 semicolon closed. This does not belong to 135. So in this set there is no such type of subset. Okay. So your answer it is incorrect. Your 3 this set does not belong to 135. Your statement will be true if the set will be, if your set will be just like this. Your set is this 1 3 5. Suppose you have such type of set. In this condition your statement it will be correct, but this is incorrect. Now he is asking 3. He has taken 3, that is the subset. Okay, is the subset of 135. Okay, already we have explained here. In this set there are total number of 3 elements and these are the subset. These are the subset of this set. Okay, so this B is the subset of this X. So this 3 it is the proper set of 135. That is correct. And already we have explained here also X is the subset of X and A is the proper set of X. Okay, it means that this is correct. Okay, 3 is the proper set of this 135. Now he is asking 5. 3 5 is the subset of 135. Okay, this is also correct. In the subset means both are similar but little bit difference. Here and here little bit difference. Here you can understand this one. This question 3 5 means this is the subset. You can see in this example this BC is the subset of ABC, this AC is the subset of ABC, this ABC is the subset of ABC, this C is the subset of ABC. Similarly this 3 5 is the subset of A135. That is also correct. Okay, now here he is asking this 135, this is also subset, is the proper set of 135. Proper means not all the elements. Okay, so here in this proper set all the elements are belonging to this, both are same. In this condition your condition is wrong. Okay, so you can think 135 is the subset of 135, but both the subsets are equal, therefore 135 is not a proper subset of this. Now the question number 7, 5 is the subset of 5. 5 is the null set, it is the subset of 5, that is correct. Okay, there is nothing, there is also nothing, so it will be proper subset of this. Already we have explained x is the subset of x. Okay, already we have explained x is the subset of x. You can see x is equal to abc, this is the subset, so this is also x, so x is the subset of x. So your condition, that is also correct. If you have a set that is 5, so 5 is the subset of 5. Now he is asking 5 is belonging to 5. That is nonsense. This is nonsense because 5 means null. There is nothing. And 5 is belonging to 5. That is nothing. Okay. That is the question number 8. So in the question number 8, an empty set 5, or you can also represent this 5 means this. Okay. Both are same. This 5 and this one both are same. This is the null set. Okay. So we can think does not contain any element. So it will be false statement because it does not contain any element. Now question number 9. 5 is the subset of this. Okay. This is a set and here no element. Okay. There is no element 5. In this set there is 5 element. 5 means null element. And he is asking 5 is belonging to 5 is the subset of this. Okay. In this set there is a element that is 5. And he is asking 5 is the subset of this. Yes. Okay. So this is also correct answer. You can also think this question like this. 5. Okay, the meaning of 5 is this. Okay, you have a set and in this set there is no element, and this is the subset of this. Okay, this is inside this one. Okay, now question number 10. Again, this is also very simple. 5 is belonging to this. 5 is belonging to this set. You can see that this 5 it is inside this set. Okay, so it means that is also correct. This is the subset, this is the symbol of subset, don't confuse, and this is the belonging to. Okay, now question number 11. He is asking 5, that is the null. In this null set you have this symbol is like this. Okay, so it is belonging to 5. That is also nonsense. This is also incorrect. Question number 11. So 5 is the set containing 5. This 5 is set is containing 5. Okay. So is an element, whereas 5 is the set containing no element. Therefore the statement is 5. 5 is the member of the set. This. Okay. So this is incorrect. Now question number 12. Question number 12 is this. This is also correct. You have a set. In this set you have null. Okay, null element, and this is also set. There is also null element. This is the subset of this. Every set is the subset of. Okay, is subset of X. Already we have done here. You can also see in this ABC, it is also subset of ABC. So it means that this is correct. Now question number 13. 5 is belonging to this. That is also incorrect. This is also incorrect. Some such simple questions they have asked in your competitive exam. You have to focus. In the question number 13, this statement is false. Okay. So this does not belong to this because there is nothing. Okay. Now question number 14. You have a set. In this set A and B, two elements, is the subset of A, B, C, and this. So this is a correct or not? So you have a set. You can see In this set you have one element A, second element B, third element C, and there are fourth element D. You must note there are total number of 4 elements. Okay, by the help of 4 elements you can also make a subset that will be AB. This is also subset of this. You can, this X is equal to ABC, then AB is the subset of ABC. So your AB, I am taking this is the subset of this, and also A comma A B C, this is also subset of this. Okay, this is also subset of this. So your statement that is correct. Question number 15. 1 belong to A plus 2B such that A, B belong to even number. Okay, this is also even, this is also even. Even number, it start from here 0. The smallest number is 0. If I will take here 0, then it will be 2 into something. Okay, so its number will be, I am just writing here 0. First number is 0. If I will take 2 and this is 0, then in this condition your number it will be 2 plus minus 2. Okay, suppose I am taking here 0, in this condition your number will be 2 into 2 4 plus minus 4, then 2 into 2 4 5 6 plus minus 6 up to so on. Your number will be like this. All the even numbers are coming here, but 1 it will be never come. 1 it will be never come. So your condition it is incorrect. Question number 16. He is asking A and phi belong to A phi. You can see this subset, it is already inside this set. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So only one question. If you know only one question, how to explain a set and how to explain a subset of a set. If you know this one, so you can solve all the questions. These questions it has come in your previous year. You must note it, and such questions also it has come in your, if you are just preparing for IIT-JEE. Okay, so I think that, I hope you understand. I tried my best to explain all the topics. Okay, thank you so much.